Hi everyone, I'm Daniel and today I'm going to show you our plants one by one. So, we have a little kitchen garden here. Starting off with the first plants. Right here, as you can see, these are onions. This whole batch, all the way from here, the far end. Now I know they're all covered in thick grass, which is not ideal, but we're removing that. On this side, this is a kosa plant. Right here, it's a creeper. Actually, I think that there's a kosa down there. Yes, there is. Here is our corn. Some more kosa plants going all the way back here. In this patch, we have tomatoes or chilies, and then we have another kosa plant, more tomatoes and more chili plants. And now this is the largest rajma plant we have. This is the largest rajma plant we have. And yeah, if you can get its max, they're like pretty much taller than me. This is all lettuce, spinach. Here's some more maize, corn, and here are some more chilies. These are tomatoes. That is lettuce. And we have some more kosa plants. Let's check if any of them are ready yet. No, I don't really think so. No, I don't really think so. So by far, this is the largest kosa plant we have yet. It's about 10 square feet. This is a very massive size. And then right over here we have our kidney bean plants. This entire stretch, this is kidney beans. It's been about 3 months since we planted them in April. Here's more of them. And here is chili. Going to the other end, this is what we call a sotsal. This is very interesting. This is a pumpkin. All these three are pumpkin, and then this one is different. And then these are all kosa plants, stretching all the way till there. Here is our kidney bean field again. And this is my stretch of land here. I have grown one tree and that is dying, but has signs of dying, but no. This one branch has survived. There's another one that survived. And here's another one that has survived. 3 branches have survived. And this is deodar. And the reason I'm showing you this is that it is the largest deodar we have. Yes, the second largest deodar we have, actually. Sorry for the background noises, that's just a little bit of metal cutting. This is our pond here, totally messed up. And those are poplar trees there. This is a poplar tree. The other one is that one. Moving further this way, we have chicken coop which is empty. We have this apple tree with lovely beautiful apples. Going this way now. This land has been empty till last year. And this year we have planted, there are some more pumpkin plants that are very small for the time. 3 of them. Here's a better view. And across the stretch of our pond bank, you can see another patch of pumpkin plants. These ones are quite heavy actually. So I'm just going to walk around. These are pumpkin plants. Amazing pumpkin. And then we have this huge apple orchard. I'll just give you a better view in a minute. Huge apple orchard that stretches for maybe 1 or 2 canals. That is probably 1/5 or 1/4 of a hectare. 1 acre. Oh, this branch is broken. No, it's actually growing like this. Surprising. Here's the, oh no, it's diseased at the top. It's diseased. And we have more apple trees if we go here. Further inwards. And that is my favorite tree in this house. The biggest pine tree. Probably stretching about 60 to 70 feet from the ground. Something like that. Yeah. Then we have more apple trees continuously until my second favorite tree in the house. This mid-sized poplar tree. Maybe a good 30 feet from the ground. Actually, it's about the same height as that. Here's a view from the top all the way to the bottom. And then here are the largest pumpkin plants we have. Huge leaves. It's like, yeah, look at there. A flower. Probably not the first. Comment down below if you see any other flowers here, because I'm really not seeing any. This poor apple tree had died because the person who cuts the grass here just ran it over with his machine. So it's totally gone now. Although we do see a few hope. It's right here, this one. You can see its largest stem down below. And then we have these apple trees, and here is the trunk of the massive poplar tree I was talking about earlier. Absolutely massive trunk. It's getting slightly windy now. And this is probably the only isolated pumpkin plant we have in our home. There's a flock of pigeons over there. Here are some more deodar trees. And I'm going to give you a full view of our kitchen garden. In a minute. Here's a wide angle of it. So it stretches from all the way there, from there, all the way there, and obviously all this land is kitchen, and the rest starting from this area, this divider here, which you can walk on to inspect the trees. This is from here, this is where the orchard starts, all the way from there to the wall, all the way there. And here is our quince apple tree. We'll get to that in a moment. And another apple tree, probably isolated. And what surprised us today is that this tree, it is a peach tree I think, had totally died until a few months ago. Now as you can see, the stem is totally dried up, but now new hope is here. You come to this huge peach tree, and this is a grapevine. You see all these grapes here. There must be several tens of them. And now getting back to that quince apple tree I showed you earlier. It is getting old and I think it's dying now, considering all this bark that's coming out. Otherwise it's pretty good. Very few quince apples this year compared to last year's. We had hundreds of quince apples. And here we go. It peels right off. Yeah. It all just comes right off there. This tree is quite healthy. The trunk is nice and healthy and stretches all the way there. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video.